Anyways, what's going on, guys? How y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special unboxing. So we're gonna go ahead and see what the differences are. But these should definitely be improved. I'm gonna go to the app where I purchased them so you can actually see how much they are and everything like that. We'll check it out together right now, so you don't have to like wonder what kind of features they have to offer. So this is where I ordered them right here. So as you can see, they have almost 5 stars and 500 people already ordered these things. It says they have pressure sensor, force touch just like the original, play and pause music, volume up and down, Siri, and next song as well. And then you can change the Bluetooth too. You do get real capacity charging LED. You do get GPS position for Bluetooth, and you do get super bass quality as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and open up the package right here. And let's just take a look at the difference between the two boxes. The new one on the left, and this is the older one on the right. The older one is bigger, a lot bigger. Oh wait, it's just not inside there. Wait, never mind. But it's a little bit taller, a little bit. But this one is newer because they've actually updated and put here pressure sensor, volume change, GPS, name change, and pop-up is real. And then it says with wireless charging case. And then here on these ones, looks almost exactly the same as far as like the boxes. There's no improvements with the boxes or anything like that. This one's just a little bit bigger, which is the older one. Just out to see if these actually charge. And these are the older ones right here. And when you put them directly on this sensor right here, they will charge. But here I just saw it, but you have to put it like dead center. Just saw the light come on, but anyway, it's not been open yet. This is a brand new package, and it does say that the volume change, pressure sensor, GPS positioning, and name change are real. So let's go ahead and cut this side. And let's just check out to see if there's any apparent differences. Wait, so they put some extra earbuds on the top of there, which is weird. I've never seen that before. Okay, so let's get this off all the way. Okay, so that's all the way off. And yeah, there's no, this is the old one right here on my right and the new one. And the metal cage on the back seems to be a little bit wider and a little bit taller, but they're identical in size. This charging LED on the new one is actually smaller as compared to this one, which is bigger, and I can visibly see that. Let's open these up. And okay, damn, when I opened up these the older AirPod Pros, it turned on the Bluetooth on my camera right here, which actually made it turn off. So I have to start it all over, but let me just see. We'll turn on the wireless charger right here and put the new ones right here and test out the wireless charging. You can see that light is on right now. It's orange, and these are definitely charging. You can see that light right there, which shows that it's actually charging up on these. I'll put these off to the side. Open this up. And then they just threw in another random pair of earbuds. These are even bigger. Wait, it looks like. So those are like medium, small. And then you got the lightning cable right here, which is the, you know, real cable. It has the perforated paper right there, which never works for me. Like, I never tear that. Okay, let's just get that off of there. Let's try this one, the pull tab. Okay. Let's see, we got some quick instructions right here. It says the instructions, and then it shows you to lift, hold the case near unlock the machine, and then basically it has to be 5 centimeters away. So it says play, pause, double tap, double back, triple back. You can remove ear tips, then press and hold for active noise cancellation and transparency modes. So you have to touch the side piece right here to activate those transparency modes. I'm gonna open these and long hold that button on the back for like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can already see them right here. So let's hit that button. And now it says that they're actually pairing. So let's just wait and see. I'm gonna hold that button down while it's connecting. Okay, there we go. Let me see if I could show you that. Hold on. Put that in my ear and then open this one, close that. But this is the old one in my right hand and the new one in my left hand. And yeah, this is a real sensor on the new one. So this is completely fake right here, but on this one there's actually like something, there's like a microphone there. You can kind of make it out right here. That one's real right here on my left hand, and this is completely fake on the older one. And then you can see the ear tips are different too. It's like a completely different ear tip. Then when you turn it on the other side, you can see right here they're the same shape and everything, but this one's just like much more real and better quality, even though I paid more for these ones. So that's actually kind of weird. But let me put the real one in my ear and put the fake one, the older one back in here. Let me see, does this have right on it? Yeah, it has the words right on here, but it doesn't have like the serial numbers. So let's just take that out. You guys don't know, this is my album, Seed Space Burner right there. But I just kind of want to throw something on that I haven't listened to in a minute. I gotta throw on that Nipsey. I'm sorry. That shit is lit. I'm not even gonna front. So let's get right, because that's my song right now. Okay. That sounds really good. Woo. Okay. The bass is dropping right now. Okay. Let me turn this down a little bit. I'm controlling the volume with the stems. So you just tap twice. You see this, the song will change. And if you do it on 3 seconds on this one, the song changes too. But these have the removable tip. Let me just show you right here. And these also have active and the feature where you can actively noise. Right here it says right here, just hold for 2 seconds and you can activate the active noise cancellation and transparency modes. Alright, these are really intuitive. I'm like controlling the music volume and stuff with these. Just show you the stems too. So this is the older one, and this is the newer one, and this one is black in the middle right here. And then this one is actually like a silver color. So that's the main differences. You're gonna see that this one's actually black, and then this one's like silver on the bottom. So that's the only difference. So let me just show you that right here. This is the new one, and this is the older model. And the sound is definitely more improved and a lot louder and a lot more bassy on these new ones. So when it comes to the touch controls, I noticed tap once and you can play. Let me try that one more time. Tap once to play, or just squeeze once to play. Okay, so that worked. Then you squeeze twice to increase the volume. That worked. 1, 2. And that works perfectly. Squeeze twice on this one to decrease the volume. So sometimes I pause it and I just do it once. So 1, and then you can play it again. So 1, 2. Now that decreases it. And if I hold this for 3 seconds, the song will change. 1, 2, 3. Check out a video real quick and just see if there's any playback when it comes to the lips matching the words or anything like that. So let's just skip right here. Oh yeah, so the lips do match the words perfectly fine. I like how you can control the volume on here. can press play, and then 1, 2 increases the volume right down there. It's definitely an improved version of them. I gotta give them credit. I'm not sure how they did it, but they definitely achieved a better clone of the ones I had already had. You could put one in the case while you're listening and it still plays, and continue listening by tapping if you want to pause it or play it. But you know, the sound quality is definitely really good. But I definitely think you guys should check these out if you're looking for the newer and improved earbud with active noise cancellation, wireless charging, and volume controls, whereas my older one didn't have those features. But anyway, it's your boy Serrano. I appreciate every last one of you. Make sure you hit the like button and the bell if you found it helpful. And in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, depending where you are. Peace. Later, crew. Have a good night.